Okay, so simple lang naman yung activity ninyo. So, I'm going to just record myself like solving some equation para mas madali ninyong masagutan yung activity ninyo. So the main focus of this is the law of conservation of mass. So, pag sinabi natin na conserve, ibig sabihin, walang nasasayang. Kung ilan yung reactant natin, equal siya sa product natin. Pero paano ba natin malalaman kung nasan yung reactant, nasan yung product? For example, let's have magnesium plus oxygen. Yields to magnesium oxide. Yan. Okay, so we have magnesium plus oxygen yields to magnesium oxide. Nasaan dyan yung reactants, nasaan dyan yung products. Simple lang para malaman mo kung nasan yung reactant, nasan yung product. Una mong titignan yung arrow. Kung nasa nakaturo yung arrow, yun yung product. Kung nasan yung pinanggalingan ng arrow, yun yung reactant. Ibig sabihin, itong dalawang element na to, nag-react sila, kaya nakakreate ng magnesium oxide. Okay? So, gawin natin yan. Ngayon, paano natin mapapatunayan na mayroong conservation of mass? Lagyan natin sila ng value. This is 12.2 grams. Hindi to fix sa example lang to. 12.2 grams plus 8 grams. So, ilan ngayon to? Ilan ngayon ang value ng magnesium oxide? Dahil nga conservation of mass, kung ilan yung value ng reactants, yun din dapat yung value ng product. So, simple lang. Ang gagawin lang natin is 12.2 grams plus 8 grams. So, grams, 2 plus 8, that is 10. So, 20. So, that is the value. Lalagay na lang natin dito, magnesium oxide has 20.2 grams. So, conserve siya. Walang nabawas, walang nadagdag. Paano naman ngayon kapag, for example, we have magnesium plus oxygen, symbol na lang, magnesium oxide plus oxygen. For example, let's put some value here. 48.6 grams plus 50 grams yields to 80.6 grams and then blank. So, paano malalaman kung ilan yung value nito? Simple lang yung gagawin mo. Pagplaplasin mo sila. So, that is 48.6 grams plus 50 grams. Para malaman mo kung ilan yung total grams ng reactant. So, 0.6 grams. 8 plus 0, that is 8. 4 plus 5, that is 9. So, 98.6 ang total ng reactant na ito. And then, let's go here. 80.6. Ilan pa yung kulang para maging 98.6? So, simple lang. 98.6 grams minus 80.6 grams is equal to 0.0. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So, 18.0 grams, yun yung nandyan. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin para makita natin kung tama, pag-aadin lang natin sila. So, 80.6 plus 18, that is 6, 8, 98, 6. Same lang sila. So, that's it. Ganyan lang siya kasimple. If you have any more question, just message me.